Over the years, technology has redefined the way cars are manufactured, operated, and maintained. Smartphones are now seen as a control pad for automated systems, as well as the standard for everyday payment. In this connected world, it's now time for true hands-free refueling technology. Fuelmatics is a pioneer and world leader in fully automatic, environmentally friendly refueling systems.
This technology is so exciting because it's so right in time. Everything is going automatic. You have automatic lawnmowers, you have robotic vacuum cleaners, you have apps for everything, but still you have to fill up your car manually.
There are 50 billion refuelings made every year, and they are all manual. Manual refueling is really boring and slow and dirty. For the future, when we think about all the autonomous car which are coming, I mean, who on earth will think about manual refueling when your car is autonomous?
Fuelmatics is revolutionizing the refueling industry. The refueling process has been the same for about 100 years. But now finally we have a faster, cleaner and more environmentally friendly system.
The Fuelmatics 5000 unit offers a cleaner and nicer environment for all fuel retailers such as petrol stations, car manufacturing lines, and fleet operators. The unit helps to save time, offers drive-through convenience, and provides a premium service which will boost your business. It has 3 nozzles which handles any kind of liquid and gaseous fuel. This concept is very straightforward and easy to use for the driver. The car would enter the automatic lane. Once the green light at the digital monitor turns red, you park, go to the app, enter your passcode, choose the fuel type and how much fuel you would like. The app then tells you when the unit searches and positions itself for the fuel lid via its onboard camera sensors. The arm reaches position to dock the flexible spout into the fuel tank. You can also follow this on the app. The digital screen displays the exact amount of fuel going in. The nozzle is pulled out and the fuel door will be closed before the green light is turned on. The app will then provide you with a receipt. The driver is ready to go on their way.
Well, it's fantastic working with an innovation that can change the way things are done and to improve quality of life for people, and also improve quality for the fuel retailers and the oil companies.
Retailers buying into this technology are gaining a new means of marketing. Fuelmatics is really gaining momentum on social media. Last few months we've gained over 25 million views, and it's continuing to spread all over the world. And it is clear that this is a very exciting technology.
There are many more benefits and advantages for retailers in owning this unit. The retailer is able to sell advertising space on the customer screen, creating a captive audience. It increases customer capacity and loyalty with a better customer experience, even in smaller stations. It has a more efficient infrastructure with smaller canopies. No forecourt controllers are ever needed. No need for card readers as payment, as it is all cloud-based. There are many exciting marketing opportunities.
It's time to change, and now with the app payment, I think Fuelmatics is ready to serve the world with a future solution.
Yeah, this is a very exciting moment for Fuelmatics. We're just launching our system and we have inquiries from all over the world. And I'm certain that in a few years you will see installations in all over the world.